Hello everyone, I hope you all are good and doing great. In today's video, we are going to show you our second edition of autumn collection, suits by Shingora. So let's start with the first suit. First suit for today is in peach color. So this is a plain peach color chanderi shirt with a lovely zari border on both the sides of the shirt. It is paired with a plain bottom of the same color, and it has a lovely contrast beige color dupatta. So in dupatta you can see this is not the print, this is all weaved designing in this. I will show you from the opposite side also. So this is all weaved in dupatta. Nothing is printed. And this suit is in the range of 5,985. I repeat, this suit is for rupees 5,985. Second suit for today in maroon color. So kurta is plain with lovely ghera weaving border on both the pallus of the shirt. So this designing will come on both the front and back side of the pallu. It too has a lovely weaved border on the sleeves also. And similarly it is also paired with the plain same color bottom. And this suit has a lovely contrast beige color dupatta. The dupatta is also all weaved, you can see. And this suit is in the range of 6,985. I repeat, this is for rupees 6,985. The third suit for today, again in plain shirt with lovely zari border on both the sides of the shirt given, which you can use either on sleeves, neck or ghera of the shirt. And it is two paired with the plain same color beige bottom, and it has a lovely contrast peach color weaved dupatta. So lovely weaving of flowers you can see on the dupatta. And this suit is also priced for 5,985. I paid, this is for rupees 5,985. Another suit with the base milky white. It has a lovely golden colored weaved booties on the shirt. You can see traditional buttas all over the shirt. So these will come on both the sides of the pallu, and it has a plain bottom of same color, and it too has a lovely very graceful dupatta. You will see it has a lovely birds weaved on the dupatta of different colors. And this suit is priced for 6,485. I repeat, this suit is for rupees 6,485. Another one with the same design of the shirt, which is shown in the white suit, the same design in maroon color. But in maroon we have a different dupatta. It has a lovely patola border on all the four sides of the dupatta. You can see it is all weaved. So it has a patola border weaved on all the four sides of the suit. This maroon suit is priced for 7,285. I repeat, this suit is for rupees 7285. Another one in mustard golden color. It has a lovely ghera weaved on both the sides of the pallu. So this is also very unique color, mostly loved by everyone, and it too has a very lovely sleek weaved border on the sleeves also. And similarly it is paired with the plain bottom, and this is priced for 7485. This suit is for rupees 7485. It has a lovely contrast maroon dupatta. Now I'm going to show you a very different and a unique color, which is very rarely found in suits. It is a lovely purple shade in a plain kurta. You can see it has a lovely border, silver zari border on both the sides of the suit, and it too has a plain same color bottom, and it is paired with a very unique and a classic dupatta. It is all weaved with a lovely combination of peach, purple and silver. You can see it has a lovely texture, traditional weaving done on the dupatta. I must say that this suit is a very different shade, which is very rarely found in suits, and this suit is priced for rupees 6,485. I repeat, this suit is for rupees 6,485. Another in maroon. The shirt of the design I have shown you earlier also, but in this maroon shade we have a very different dupatta. So it has a textured stripes dupatta in this suit. So this is priced for 5,985. The stripes dupatta with maroon shirt. This is for rupees 5,985. One more suit in a plain maroon shade with lovely zari border on both the sides of the shirt, paired with a plain same bottom, and it has a lovely textured dupatta. You can see self designing in the between the dupatta also, and it's a lovely texture on both sides of the dupatta. So this suit is a very economical range. This suit is for 4,485. I repeat, this is for rupees 4,485. In this suit, I will not open the whole shirt. We have one more color in mustard in the same price range of 4,485. Similarly, it is also paired with the same color textured dupatta, and it has a lovely weaving done on both the pallu of the dupatta. So this suit is priced for 4,485. It has two colors, one in mustard and another in maroon. Another suit in maroon with all over jal booty weaving done. You can see it has all over worked weaving done in the suit. It is two paired with a plain bottom, and it has a lovely contrast mustard dupatta with birds weaving. You can see colorful birds on the dupatta. Mustard color dupatta with colorful magenta, blue, green birds on it, and this suit is priced for rupees 6,485. I repeat, this suit is for 6,485. The last suit for today, again in maroon color. So today we have got a lot of maroons in our collection. So it has a lovely ghera on both the sides of the shirt, and it too has a lovely sleek border on the sleeves too. Similarly paired with a plain simple bottom and a lovely contrast mustard jal weaved dupatta. So it's all over jal on the dupatta of flowers. It's all in weaving, and this suit is priced for rupees 7,485. I repeat, this suit is for rupees 7,485. So guys, this was all for today. For purchasing or any queries, you are most welcome at our store located at Subhash Road in front of Little Flower School, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Or for online orders, you can text a message on Instagram or Facebook, or you can WhatsApp us also on the number 9760879903. Shipping in India is free, and we are shipping worldwide. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks.